Hello all, welcome back on what's new in 2021 release wave 2, and today we'll discuss about a feature that is titled as non-inventory items on requisition and planning worksheet. So if you have a business that use requisition worksheet or planning worksheet, then till Business Central 4018 you can only handle inventory item in those two areas. But with Business Central 19, you can manually add non-inventory items into your requisition worksheet and or on planning worksheet. In that way, it gives you a similar way to handle different types of items that you are using. So let's quickly look at that feature. So first what we'll do is we are on Business Central 18 US Sandbox, and I'll move to requisition worksheet. So now in Business Central, till Business Central 18, when you try to add a new item in your requisition worksheet, this list will show you only inventory items. And let's quickly check why that is. If I look into inspect page and data and see behind the scene there are filters, it says that the only items that should be visible to user are of type inventory. So you cannot even choose items which are non-inventoriable items in Business Central 18. Now let's move to Business Central 19 and let's search for requisition worksheet. Okay. Now here if I click on item, I'll see all the items, and if you notice the first two items from our last discussion, the first two are the non-inventory item and the service item, and I'm able to choose them here. So if I click on this, I can choose those items and I can assign a location, let's say west on these three and these two, and let's say I require quantity of this, and just to put a random value on unit cost, and then the vendor should have been selected. Yes, the vendor is selected, and the replenishment method or system is purchase. So let's try to process this and let's see what happens as the purchase order gets with the location or not. So now let's go back and open the purchase orders. And if I look at this, there is a new order for the west location with two items in it of the non-inventorial and the service item with the location west into it. So with this feature introduced in Business Central 19, you'll be able to use non-inventory items and service items into your requisition and planning worksheet. Let me know a business scenario where this feature will help in comments to this video. Stay tuned for more. I'll come up tomorrow with the next new feature available in Business Central 19. Thank you.